Penetration testing. I'm sure many of you haven't even heard of it. But what is it, and why does your business need to do it? So if you've gone through the Cyber Essentials process, you would have heard about penetration testing. In fact, it's a mandatory part of the high-level Cyber Essentials. But if you've got an NHS contract, for example, it's also part of the DSPT, which is the NHS Data Protection Toolkit, essentially. So why do you need to have a penetration test? Well, first of all, there's two types of penetration tests, an external and an internal. They are run by an ethical hacker, such as myself. So if you asked us to do penetration tests, what I would do is first of all run an external test on your business to see what I can access going through your router and into your network from an external source, but then also internally. So for example, for that would be, let's say you had a secured folder on your server or your SharePoint. If you run in Office 365 that you didn't want anyone else to access, we could run a penetration test against that, and I could then run a report to show you all the ways that we managed to access if we did. And if you didn't, then obviously it's good news for you. So a penetration test is a really good way of finding out all of the ways in that a hacker could use to get into your systems, so that you can then employ someone, whether that be us or another IT company, to lock those systems down, to stop that access and those ways in from being taken advantage of. If this sounds like this is something that would be good for your business, please arrange this using the link below to Louise's calendar. It's at the bottom of every of our web pages, and we can start the process for you.